Hey guys, today I will show you how to take screenshot in our PC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, this is the area we want to take a screenshot. So first go to search bar and type Snipping Tool. Then click on New. Then select the area you want to take a screenshot. Now we take out Screenshot. Then to save it, go to File and click on Save As. Then save your file. Now as you can see, this is our screenshot. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.